Hello, class. This is Brother Castillo. It's our final week of class, lesson 14. I know everyone's excited to wrap things up this semester. This week we'll be discussing reflection and personal accountability. We'll start off with a final Did You Know? Thoughts from lesson 13, the assignments that are due from lesson 14, HOA meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know that the three most common languages in the world are Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, and English? All right, some final thoughts on the course. I would invite you to reflect on what you've learned in this course between the cases and discussions, the 7 habits and 5 dysfunctions of a team books, as well as the accountability project. We've discussed a lot of things that all go together to not only become part of an effective team, but how to be more effective as an individual. And along those lines, I would invite all of you also to ask yourselves, how have I become more of a disciple of Jesus Christ in my home, church, and the community? One nice thing about the content of this course is that a lot of the concepts and teachings do have a correlation to the gospel. And in many of our HOA meetings, we've had some robust discussions about how the gospel connects to what you've learned this semester. So I would invite you to ask this question and ponder it in your mind as well as in your heart. Now, the assignments that are due for lesson 14. So it's a little different with the potentially shorter week. So let's just cover that. So due Tuesday at 11 p.m., you do need to submit your accountability final document. Instructions for your final document are found online. And then make sure you upload it under assignment on the assignment tab. Now, due by Friday is your 360 review of your HOA team as well as your self-assessment. Naturally, if you want to get this done earlier with the semester ending on Wednesday, you more than invited to do that. And finally, as I mentioned earlier, there is a group activity. You do need to hold HOA meetings this week, and I imagine most of you will try to get them done on or before Wednesday. So everyone will take an opportunity to present their project, and as I mentioned, you can meet earlier in the week. As far as the group meetings, I'm going to try and meet with groups 3 and 4. With the short week, I imagine these groups will try to change when they meet, and I may or may not be able to meet. I would love to, but so that's what I'm going to qualify by saying it. I'm going to try. No team leaders were assigned, so amongst yourselves, let's decide who is going to lead the meeting. And then, as mentioned before, use your final project document as the basis for the group discussion. So one final thought is this: really good luck. You got this. Not that you'll need it. I've enjoyed associating with all of you in the class. And so good luck and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care. Bye-bye.